and them.
What is that?
I'm here trying to see what everybody is in the way. Me trying to see what everybody is in the way.
I know what's going on over there, man.
We can't see nothing and then till no go away.
We're going. Hey, come. What are we This is God.
Now put your hands on me as I will call my lawyer. Just not touch me, not do nothing.
No problem. Pastor will be going down there to preach to those that down there who need healing. Pastor will be going to preach.
Drape up people. I think people don't know their rights. I can't touch me. Because me not know right.
Them. The word of God. Video it.
The man who come disturb the word of God today. Calm down, that's not necessary right now to wrong to make one right.
Then have no respect for God unless you come to God. You might say respect for God. I pray for Chris to overturn. It is coming back at you.